Hello guys, it's Rat and welcome back to our channel Easy Drawing Club. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and also turn the notification bell on so you don't miss any of our videos. Today we are going to learn how to draw cartoon butterfly. What you need is marker, paper and something to color with. We shall get started now, okay? So, firstly, we are going to draw eyes. So that will be circle and slightly smaller circle that connects to this one. Beautiful. Now it has two smaller circles inside it. And we can color this in black. Two curved lines like this. Beautiful. And another one, same, like that. On the end of it, circle and color it in black. Perfect. Now another circle just here like that. So that's start here and here. Like this. Beautiful, yeah. Now smiley face, of course. And curved line on the end of it. Also on the underside. We need to draw his body, so his body will be just a shape like this. Now we need to make curved lines over his body. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now, perfect. Now, what does he have here?
Wings.
Wings, yes. So, wings are shaped like that and like that. Perfect. Same on the other side. Now it has all those beautiful patterns in his wings. So we will make circle here, a bigger circle around it, and we'll copy this on this side. Circle and bigger circle around it. Now oval here, another oval here. We can make 1, 2 and 3 circles on the bottom of his wing. 1, 2, 3. Another 3 can go here from bigger to smaller like that. From bigger to smaller just like that. And we are done. We shall color it in now. Beautiful. Thank you very much. See you next time. Bye.
Bye.